So this is our new product. It's the J300. It's a battery backup. It's not a UPS, it's a battery backup, and it can give you up to 5 hours backup. And it's a 300 watts, so if you use anything over 300 watts, it will kick out. I will show you how that works. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the little device. It's quite cute. That's on that side, the bottom. It's got a nice handle that you can carry it on. Okay, so this device has its input. It comes with its own power supply, as you can see. And to charge it, you just put it in there and it'll start charging, as you can see. Now, this device won't work if the power is plugged in. It's a battery backup, so it's like a power bank, basically. So to use it, you charge it and then disconnect the power. It also has a car charger. So if you go camping or something, you can charge it in the car. It'll work perfectly fine. Then it has 12 volts. I call this, I know it as a cigarette lighter, but I don't know other people. So basically, if you've got a device with a plug like this, then you'd use it in there. If you've got a device that has got the barrel connector, you would plug it in over there, and that is where you would switch it on. Okay, light's green, and you hold it and it goes off. Then we come to the USB section. So you've got two 3.1, the one is 5 volt 3.1 amp, and the other one's also 5 volt 3.1 amp. Then you've got the 18 watt, and you've got your C-type 60 watt. So we're going to test out with this little fan the 5 volt, and let's hold it. It goes on, the fan's working, and it's a little light that's on it. So that's the USB. Now let's switch it off. That's for the USB. Then we've got the AC, which is a 3-pin. This is 220 volt 300 watts. So if it's over 300 watts, the device kicks out. It won't power the whatever you've plugged in. So I just have this little light on a cable, which will just so I can show you that the AC works. So we'd switch it on and the light goes on. Obviously, as you can see, it doesn't pull anything. It's just a little 3-watt globe, so it doesn't pull much. Switch it off, unplug it. Then I want to show you what happens if you use something that's over 300 watts. So I've borrowed my husband's orbital sander, and let's just get to the sticker here. You'll see it's 450 watts. So we're going to give that a try so I can demonstrate to you exactly how it kicks out. Then you know, okay, it won't manage to charge that. So let's switch AC on. Everything's working. Take this 450 and it doesn't work. There we go. As you can see, it has a warning light that flashes, and the AC turns red, doesn't stay green. So if I switch it off and I switch the AC on again, it's working again. But the minute you overload it, it does flash, everything kicks out. You just need to switch your AC off, unplug the device that uses too much power, and switch it back on, and everything's back to normal. So any device over 300 watts, it will not power that device. So I've used this to power, I've got a 55-inch TV, flat screen TV. I have a Lenovo, what do you call it, Lenovo laptop, and I have a Samsung Hi-Fi, and I power all three of those devices with this for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It actually lasts me through load shedding. But you need to check the wattage of the devices that you're using to make sure it's not too much. But like I showed you, it does kick out. So it's actually a very handy device. It's nice for when there's power outage, load shedding, everything. It's also very handy if you're the outdoorsy kind of person. You're going fishing, camping, there's no electricity. You can use this. It can power lights, it can charge phones. You can use it to blow up your those air mattresses, because that little pump will fit in here, because they come with these type of connectors. So yes, very handy device. It's called our J300, and yes, it's very handy, and it's one of our new products that we've just brought in now, and I hope a lot of people will find it very handy like I do. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, there will be more videos. Have a good one.